Okay. Set the hook. Remember how to set the hook? Do it.
Down.
Nope. No. Don't open that. Pull the pole up. Remember? Jerk the pole. Hard. Yeah, good enough for now, I think. Okay, start reeling him in.
I don't got him. He got loose.
No way.
See?
Reel in real fast. You got him. Reel in. Keep the tip up, remember? Good job. Don't have to reel in too fast. Don't. You want me to net him for you?
I got him.
You want me to net him for you?
Yeah. Come on, get him. Yeah!
Hey, whoa, that's a big one. Good job, Shotty. Okay, no, stop reeling, buddy. Stop reeling, okay? I'm gonna get the net. Oh.
Get him. Net. Yeah! Is it a bass?
It sure is. Smallmouth.
Yeah.
What do you think about that? Was that pretty fun?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah, it's pretty fun. Let's keep him. Is he a keeper?
No, bass is not open right now.
Oh.
Dang the man, huh?
Yeah, dang the man.